Of late, I am so obsessed with this Achari Mirch achar, which is usually served along with Chole Kulche and Chole Bhature. And Chole Kulche is one such dish which is very often prepared at home. And this Achari Mirch achar or pickle complements it very well. So I decided to make this at home, and trust me, it was amazing to taste. So let's see how to make this quick, easy and instant Achari Mirch ka achar. And here in this bowl I have taken some long fat Achari Mirch, usually used to make pickles as they are mild spicy. And first we need to slit the chilies lengthwise in this way. Next, here in this plate I have taken some whole spices like 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or Saunf, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or Sabut Zeera, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds or Sarso, and half a teaspoon of Methi seeds or Fenugreek. And now we need to dry roast them. For that, we'll heat a pan and add the whole spices, and on medium flame we will dry roast them until they start to crackle. So these are done now. I will turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly and then grind them into a coarse powder. In the same pan, I've added some mustard oil, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the Achari Mirch and shallow fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. And once the color slightly changes, we'll turn off the flame and take off the chilies from the oil. And now into this we will add the Achari spice mix which we had prepared earlier. I will not use the entire spice mix, only 3 tablespoons of it will be enough. The rest you can store it in the container. And now into this we'll add some more spices like a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, 1 teaspoon of Aamchur or dry mango powder, half teaspoon of Hing or Asofoetida, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric or Haldi powder. We'll now add all these spices into the bowl. Next we will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can add lemon juice also, which will keep the achar good for a long period of time. And along with this, we'll also add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. This is the same mustard oil where I had fried the Achari Mirch. And now we need to mix all the spices well for at least 2 minutes or so that the spices combines and coats well with the Achari Mirch. Alright, mixing is done. Now you can enjoy this Achari Mirch right away along with vada pav, chole bhature or kulche. But I will allow this to sit at room temperature for a day so that the flavors blends well with the mirch. Let's check the pickle after a day. The mirch is soft now and has absorbed well all the flavors of the Achari spice mix and is smelling so tempting right now. And to enjoy my Achari Mirch, I have prepared Chole Kulche at home, and this combination is to die for if you are a fan of street food. So friends, do try this quick, easy and instant Achari Mirch recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.